here's the control board that we have to remove. I recommend first taking the air hose off, setting it aside. Now remember your orientation of wires. You want to remove this from the clip, and there's a screw back here. Actually takes a hex head type wrench, and remove that. Then the control unit should be able to pull forward, down, and then out. Now the reason why I didn't take my wires off yet is because I'm going to show you an easy way to remember where the wires go.
The trick is to mirror the new control board with the old board, and as you disconnect the plug from the old board, connect that same plug to the new board in the same slot. Take notice to disconnect each plug, push down on the plastic tab, then gently pull out the plug from its slot. Now be careful to pull the plug from the plastic connector piece so you don't damage any of the wires.
So what I would do is take one at a time and transfer to the new unit till it clicks in, and then move on to the next one. Remember your wire orientation. This one may require a screwdriver because it's a very small piece, very delicate.
Remember, it goes in the first slot.
Right here. Then remember, this is your old unit. Take it and discard it. Snap your final plug in. You can see it just fit right in there. And remember how the unit went. Remember we went, I'm just going to go reverse. And we're going to slide it right back down where it goes. And now remember the wire orientation that we talked about. Remember these wires.
Slide under the plastic tab.
You may need a screwdriver just to lift up some of these pieces, some of the plastic pieces, just so you can get the wires underneath there. There we go. Then all you need to do now is put your screw back in here.
Attach the plastic air pressure tube, then put your user interface panel back on.
Just reverse the process. Put your panel back on. Make sure your panel is attached. There's the wires. Make sure they're all attached. Snaps on just like the other snapped on. Snaps right in. Position it. See, there's pieces here and they fit right in there. And then just reverse the process by putting in the 2 screws. Sometimes some machines have a 3rd screw in the center. Mine does not.